Hello students, welcome to YouTube channel. Rudra classes ielts PTE. Reading collocations. Important for reading, fill in the blanks. Clear relationship. Clear statement. Clear structure. Clearly defined. Clearly demonstrated. Clearly established. Clearly evident. Clearly identified. Clearly important. Clearly related. Clearly understand. Clearly visible. Climate change. Climatic conditions. Close contact. Close proximity. Close relationship. Close scrutiny. Closely allied. Closely associated. Closely connected. Closely linked. Closely related. Closely resemble. Closely tied. Closer examination. Closer inspection. Closer look. Cognitive ability. Cognitive development. Cognitive skills. Collaborative learning. Collect data. Collect information. Collective action. Collective identity. Collective memory. Combined effect. Come into conflict. Come into contact. Commercial activity. Commercial transaction. Commit a crime. Commit an offense. Common ancestor. Common approach. Common assumption. Common characteristic. Common culture. Common era. Common feature. Common goal. Common method. Common source. Common theme. Common usage. Commonly accepted. Commonly associated. Commonly called. Commonly encountered. Commonly found. Commonly known. Commonly referred. Commonly used. Communicate effectively. Comparative analysis. Comparative research. Comparative study. Compelling argument. Compelling evidence. Compelling reason. Competitive market. Competitive pressure. Complete a task. Complex area. Complex interaction. Complex issue. Complex pattern. Complex problem. Complex process. Complex question. Complex relationship. Complex set. Complex situation. Complex structure. Complex system. Comprehensive account. Comprehensive approach. Comprehensive overview. Comprehensive review. Comprehensive system. Conceptual framework. Concerted effort. Concluding remarks. Concluding section. Conditional probability. Conduct research. Conduct a study. Conduct a survey. Conduct an analysis. Thanks for watching. Like, share, comment, and subscribe YouTube channel.